All right, so this is what I do for converting the phone numbers into usable formats for Facebook. Now what I put here, this is kind of example of types of formats you'll get, or the one that I've seen, mainly these right here, that you will see when you get certain lists. And even sometimes you'll have a 1, 2 digits for some reason. And then these I just threw in as you'll see why in a minute. So normally you're going to see this, and you're going to see these two formats, which has the number. This is the number without the country code, and this one is with the country code. So the first thing that I do is, well, I put a column here, and then I have this formula that I put in, which I'll share with you. But if you see, I don't know how much you know about formulas, but if I do equals length, and then I just click on, I do this one. So length of this is 14. And if I drag this down for all of these, you can see it's mainly 14, 11, and 10 is like the three main lengths that you see. So, and that includes the parentheses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 14, this is 11, 10. Now what I did is, the next thing I do to get the numbers here is I actually do, if you know the formula mid. So what this is, it'll take this one, and then I go, where do I want to start? So there's left, mid, and right for the formula. So for this one, I want to start at position number 2. So I'll do position 2, comma, how many over do I want to go? 1, 2, 3. I want the 3 of them there. So I do that. So now it puts into 336. And then, autofill. So 336, this is so this is what I'm looking for here. This one, however, 251. So it's not grabbing the exact one that I want. And then, so what I'll do is I'll have this formula. I'll also do another one equals mid, and then I'll take, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because space counts. So there, comma 7, comma 3, because I wanted to pull up the 3 digits. So we do that, and now you can see there's the 286. So then I'll do it one more time, and this one over here will be equals. This one will just be equals right. Now the way this works, you take this one, comma, right, and I want to do right how many digits over? 1, 2, 3, 4. So just 4. So as you see, now it's going to take, so I got 336, 286, 0771. Then what I do is I do equals concatenate, and this, so then I'll take this, comma, no, I'll take 1, in quotes, comma, this number, comma, this number, comma, this number. So what it's doing, so concatenating, it's putting a 1 there, and then it's putting whatever next. It takes, concatenating means it's putting them together. So as you see, it took all 3s and put them together. Instead of doing all this, because I don't do all that, as you see here, I just have the formula and then the values. So I actually combine all that into one, and I use an if statement as well. So what I do here is, and I'll share this with you, but I'll take this formula, when I put this formula in here, see, it puts that. So what it's doing is, it's doing an if statement. So first it's looking, if this has a length of 14, which it does, then it's going to concatenate and take a 1, add it to the mid, and then the mid, and then the right. But if it's a length of 11, which is this one down here, then all it's going to do is take this number and add a 1 to it. And if it's a length of 10, then what I actually have it do is I have it put in the check here. So if it's anything other than 14, 11, or 10, it's going to put the word check, because then I can know to go in here and go, look, that's not actually a phone number, or that's missing area code, so not really usable. These are just 2 numbers. So now I can go through and check these. But see, now it's in the correct format for Facebook. So hopefully that helps. I know it's a lot.